I wish you all happy testing.
This is the first BuildZero Test Event. We do it now because a couple of years we have experience testing in the field. We used these machines as operating machines and we experienced a lot of problems. Problems with charging, problems with smart charging. The machines itself, they perform fine, but the interoperability, that's the problem. This big equipment, they appeared around 2019. Then there were few, all conversion machines. And nowadays we see the OEM machines coming from the factory. On this test event we have diversity of machines, we have the equipment, we have battery boxes, we use them as transport batteries, and we have the charging equipment, and we will test them rotating.
There's a high ambition in the Netherlands to electrify the construction site. You see a lot of new innovations coming up in the market, but they're not all reliable, so we need to test what's the cause of that. Like with passenger cars, all these machines and infrastructure are talking with each other through protocols. And during this test, and we call that interoperability, we'll find out which way the machines and the charging infrastructure will talk with each other and where probably faults or errors are occurring.
I'm sure if we test here in this test event and everything works, that the chance that we get a problem in the field is very low.
So my expectations are that we're not going to run into that many difficulties because we've been in the field very long and we've charged many of these vehicles before. So we're just trying to see if everything is still working correctly, and if we do run into some difficulties, that's why I'm here and my colleague is here as well, and we have people on standby in Finland to help us remotely. I think testing events as this are very important because it is guaranteeing the interoperability between the EVs and the hardware suppliers of the chargers, for example. And the last thing you want is that you buy something and they do not work together.
We started this program for EV equipment machines about 4 years ago, and we now follow producing about 2.5 years. We hope that we do more events like this to get more information also for the market and also for us as an equipment supplier.
Well, at the moment we expect that all the tests are going well and that there will be no problems. But if there are some situations where it's not going quite well, then tomorrow someone from Volvo will be here as well. And he can help us if there are any limitations of problems with the charging.
Today we're going to have our set line machine. This is an excavator, a 25-ton machine. We're going to be testing it on multiple different EVSEs in different configurations. I'm looking forward to testing our machine and getting to know the different EVSE suppliers here and also the EV suppliers. I think it's going to be really fun to test our machine and see if we can break it in some way. Hopefully not, but we'll see.
We expect to have many more editions of this one. We already see a lot of suppliers already in line, eager to test their equipment. And the ultimate goal is that every machine that comes to market will be tested in the Elaad laboratorium.